Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to change feedback on eBay. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to log into our account by continuing using our Facebook, Google, or Apple. Or if you haven't done so, why not create an account, be it personal or business. Just provide your full legal name, email, a password, and click on the create button here and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, if you are a seller, you can find all the feedback you've left for sellers in your feedback profile right here. Now, once you've left feedback, you won't be able to edit or delete it, okay, unless you ask the seller to send you a feedback revision request. Alternatively, you can add extra comments or information to your original feedback by leaving a follow-up comment. Now, in order for you to do so, as you can see, there's a leave feedback option here. All right. Now, from time to time, you may want to follow up with some additional context or information in feedback you've already left. Now, you can leave one follow-up comment on each item, and here's how you can do it. And click on that, and all you're gonna do is leave feedback. But since this account is new to eBay, I might need to wait 5 days before I can leave something. But if you have already an active profile, all you're gonna do is click on this one. And then after that, you can go to the feedback left for others. Then select follow-up next to the item number and write your follow-up comment. And of course, you need to select leave follow-up comment, right? Now, if you are a buyer, you might want to go here on your dashboard wherein it says my eBay and go to purchases, right? Now, after doing so, if you want to for a revision request, if you wish to revise your original feedback, you can contact the seller directly and ask them to send you a feedback revision request. Now, from that, you might want to click on ready for feedback, and if you have that option, you would be able to do it from here. Okay, and now once you receive your revision request, you'll then have to 10 days to either revise the feedback from here. You can select accept request in the email, and basically eBay will guide you through the process of changing your rating and comment. And when you revise or remove a feedback, your original comments will no longer be available on eBay. And you can also have the option to decline the request. You can select decline request in the email and state your reason for doing so. Now, if you'd like to keep your reasons private, select I don't want to share the reason with the seller. Now, in any chance you're having problems with all the process, you might want to click on help and contact, because from here, if you wanted more information about changing the certain feedback, like here, you have the option to do so. And of course, eBay customer service will be more than glad to help you solve the issue of changing feedback on eBay. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.